Hi guys, welcome back to Image Kenya TV. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate you. We hope you are doing well. Today we are taking on a house tour. We hope you're gonna enjoy it. Please join us as we tour this 4-bedroom house here in Ngong Hills, and I hope you like it. Welcome. So guys, this house tour is under the courtesy of the 47 Investment Company. You are to go to construction company option in Kenya. Like I told you guys, this is a 4-bedroom, beautiful, budget-friendly home with elegant interior designs overlooking the Ngong Hills in Ngong, Kenya. Please join us in this empty house tour and watch till the end, and we would really appreciate much. Just walking into the front door, you are welcomed by the beautiful spacious dining area and the living room overlooking the open kitchen concept design. The natural light will flood this space due to the well-designed big windows. The living room comes designed with a fireplace for warming the house on those cold nights. The high ceiling and the big windows make the house even feel so homely and well lit. Moving into this spacious and modern upscale kitchen, which offers a lot of storage areas, double sink, and lots of countertops for all your culinary tasks. To support this channel as we grow, please like this video, share it with your family and your friends, leave us a comment down below, and if it's your first time here or you have never subscribed, please consider hitting the red subscribe button now, and welcome to the Emerge Kenya TV family. Moving on, this is the guest restroom or washroom, which utilizes the space under the stairwell. We are now in the guest bedroom or ensuite, which offers spacious space for your guests as they visit. A theme you'll notice in this home is the big windows that light up the rooms with natural light. Moving upstairs through this well-thought-of staircase, you can miss seeing the serene neighborhood this home sits on. We are now in the second bedroom upstairs, and you can fail to notice once again the bank of windows that flood the home with natural lights. Also, spacious wardrobes are also emphasized in this home. This bedroom is also fully ensuite with a standard finishing in the bathroom. This bedroom also comes with a balcony, giving you a great view of the neighborhood and some of the Ngong landscapes. Moving on, we are now in the third bedroom, which offers great space for your little ones. This bedroom is also fully en suite and mirrors the big window theme in this home. We now find ourselves in this spacious, amazing master bedroom with banks of windows flooding it with natural light, a fireplace for those dull, cold winter nights. The master bedroom suite also offers a balcony, giving you a great view of the serene neighborhood and also of the front yard. Moving one level up, let's go and explore the rooftop space, which will blow your mind away with the great views you'll experience up there. So from here guys, you can see the beautiful Ngong Hills and experience the cooling breeze. For one more last time, please let us tour the amazing living and dining areas. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked the tour. Please remember to check out the 47 Investment Company. They can build such a house for you. Please remember to like, to share, and also to leave us a comment down below. And if you're new here, please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day and be blessed. Bye-bye.